So take a look at the ranked leaderboard real quick. In third place is who I'm fighting, Starboy Iris, undisputed champion and best wolf main. Now, before I get into the video, I just wanted to mention this again. My main account is banned. I was undisputed. I had all this cash, everything. The reason was because the cash cap was lowered from 99 million down to 80 without warning. So we're gonna be banned for a while. It's already been a few months, but yeah, you know, all I have now are these spike gloves. Luckily, I had this on my account, but you know, it is what it is. I don't play much, but I hopped on today, saw Iris, figured, you know what I mean, have a fight, and it could end up being a good video. So I did it, and without any further ado, I hope you guys enjoy it.